All right, it is Wednesday. We just wrapped up the Trade Lab, and my name is EP. I'm going to do a quick little wrap on the trade activity that you might have missed, or perhaps if you were engaged with us today, you were a participant, and well, you probably got a smile on your face right about now. Let's talk about what took place today inside of the trading room. Brought to you by Rios Quant Trading Technology. The trading room is the place for you to stack the odds in your favor to find logical trading, quant trading. TheTradingRoom.com. All right. So I see this guy over here. This is called the S&P, and he or she is a happy-go-lucky character. So the activity that you see here on the screen, if we take a look at yesterday, this is Wednesday activity. This is Tuesday activity. This was the London session yesterday, and this was the close in the U.S. session yesterday. Pretty flat for the London session until the U.S. session began. And look at this thing, straight up. Market hanging at 31.14 last, and no time in quitting. Looks like it still might want to go up and chase the critical level of resistance. So with that, I did a couple trades today. First one I'm going to share with you guys is a box trade that I did in the euro. I traded the micro euro currency. Tried to apply some leverage here and trade some multiples. I believe I did 3 of these. Let me turn the text back on. Good old Ninja Trader so we can see that. Yeah, I did 4. Bought 4 down here right at the break. You can see the candles turning from yellow to blue. So we have neutral turning to strength right inside the box. And using a channel breakout in bull zone 1. Reaching up to the top of bull zone 1. I went break even. Market came down, stopped me out. Yeah, the European markets closed here about 15 minutes ago. You can see that we're just now starting to travel higher. But nice little trade altogether. Again, box trade. Next trade was with the report that we had today with the crude oil inventories. And you can see that I shorted the mini crude so I could trade multiples. I traded 2 lots to be exact. And took these 2 contracts down short, got filled actually post the report. So I had the sell stop working before the report, got short, took one down halfway. Could have taken the second one off. I elected not to. I elected to lock in some profits and see if we would go down into bear zone 2, maybe go travel down to critical support. We didn't. We came back up, protected the profits and made a little bit on that second one, shorted at 36.67, out at 45, and out at 60 for the second. And then the trade of the day, guys. Remember that S&P I was showing you at the beginning? Well, this is a turbo scalp trade. And this is a breakout trade. I got 154 in open trade equity. Still got this trade on. This trade started at 10 this morning. You know, look at this. We're almost at 12 o'clock noon right now. This is a breakout inside of a neutral trade zone. Here's a roadmap. Go ahead and pause the video and take a screenshot of that. This is the jargon that we use in the trading room every day to understand and recognize zones and levels. And now that you've got that, you can take a look. This is a neutral trade zone trade. Originally, I think, I'm just going to verify it. I think we did 10 or 11 of these micros this morning. And you can see that there. We did a total amount of 910. So 10 purchased, started scaling out at the RQ level. That would be the second level of resistance. Market went up. See these red dots up here? Well, these are retracement signals. And what I did is I brought my stop up. I actually took half of the protective stops I had, and I started protecting if the market was going to go back down into the neutral, which it did. And the remainder, I actually continued to work at break even. Good thing I did, because market made a little run here once again at 11 o'clock. This is the end of prime time, by the way, 11 o'clock. Look at this, post prime time. Look at the run. Halfway up, took another 2 off, and as we speak, I've got 2 more. Almost got the target here about 15 minutes ago. Got the stop locked in, 26,132. or will I see the top and have the cherry on top of this nice ice cream sundae, or shall I say ice cream Wednesday? Hey guys, got a workshop tonight. Want to invite you guys to be a part of the traders workshop. We're going to be talking about prime time, what to trade, when to trade, and why to trade during certain times around the clock. Workshop will be about an hour in length. You're my guest. If you can go ahead and register for this event. If you didn't get the invite, you can send a request to support@riosquant.com. Support@riosquant.com. I guess you could always pause the video too and copy that and paste that in the browser, and you too will be invited and be joining me inside of a workshop tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern. So for the results today, here you go, guys. Still got a trade going. You can see I got a $1.56 open trade equity. Closed performance, we got 261. Here are the trades that I just shared with you, plus a few others. And that's what we did today inside the Trade Lab. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hop over to thetradingroom.com, go down to the bottom, watch more videos just like this under recordings. Check out the performance, check out the technology, just check it out. And I'll check you guys out either at the workshop tonight or at the Trade Lab tomorrow morning.